caving in on the Hamilton Tiger Cats. The 101st Grey Cup is a rout.
Flags are down. He can't believe it. A call that will haunt the Hamilton Tiger Cats for a long time. They have put the win back in Winnipeg. The Blue Bombers, 2019 Grey Cup champions.
Oh, nearly intercepted. It is. And it's over. They waited an extra year, and even regulation wasn't enough for Winnipeg. But they finally got it done.
Nobody is going to hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. You know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hit. And not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you wanna be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that and that ain't you. You're better than that.
This here is all about my wife, my kids, the life that I live. Through the night, I was his. It was right what I did. My ups and downs, my slips, my falls, my trials and tribulations, my heart, my walls, my mother, my father. I love him, I hate him. Was God, I didn't have him, but I'm glad that he made him. The roaches, the rats, the strays, the cats, the guns, knives, and bats. Every time I scrap, the hustling, the dealing, the robbing, the stealing, the shit hit the ceiling. Little boy with no feelings, the frustration, rage.